am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
Good morning. Still in the shower, prepping as much as I know how to get ready for the tile. Turns out just selecting something easy like subway tile isn't really as easy as you think it would be. It's going to be a pretty basic, bright white, they call it, but it's just a simple 6x3 subway tile. And we are going to subway tile this whole shower. I'm not too interested, honestly, in weird patterns. We really just want to keep it as simple as possible. I think that when you get too intricate with design, those are the designs that will lose favor in time, that you'll have to change, or you'll feel like you'll want to change because you're going to get sick of it. Where just a simple subway tile look, it's kind of timeless, in my opinion. It's timeless. So what am I doing today? We came in here, Sarah and I did, and we kind of thought about where the niche, is it a niche or a niche? I think it's called a niche. So the best place for us to put the niche is on this wall right here. And there's some reasons for that. This wall you can't because the waterworks are all in this wall. This wall you can't because, so there's a sewer vent in this wall, either here or here. So what I'm going to be doing is cutting this out for the size that it can be. I'm going to have to cut the studs, put in some supporting studs, and I'm going to build a box out of either 1/2 inch plywood or 3/4 inch plywood. Put that right in there. So that's my plan.
Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
Alright. That's the spot.
Looks like a blink of an eye's not enough. She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning it all now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets bring back desire.
That's pretty good. That's probably the best I can do.
progress, good things go slow. And I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again.
Pretty happy with how it turned out. Spent some time on it. It's very sturdy. It's got 1/2-inch plywood all the way around, screwed into everything that I've studded out. This side turned out really good. Oh my gosh. I wanted to be able to have enough room for just one piece of subway tile, and it's exactly that. I'm not gonna say that it's perfect, but man, it turned out really good. My last piece of subway tile here is probably gonna be overlapping the shower flange. The blue tape was just because I had this taped off, but that's the top of my flange. You can see the cement board stops right at the top of the flange. And then what I'll do is I'm gonna red guard all of the cement board, which is waterproofing it. I'm gonna silicone this gap really well, just to make sure nothing can get in there. And then, once that's all red guarded and siliconed, then your tile goes on like that, over top of the whole thing. I've heard you just leave a little bit of a gap at the bottom, so you can silicone that gap, and that will be completely waterproof. Some people, they make the mistake of putting this board over the flange and then have it hit here. And then even if you silicone and waterproof, then your tile goes down, and water, if it gets in there, will hit the cement board, and the cement board will draw it up. So you want to keep your cement board on top of the flange. Hope that made sense. Taking a shower, and then the niche is right behind you. For me, it's perfect. You know, for a kid, they'll probably have to reach up a little bit. I'm not super tall. And then I like that it's a little bit bigger than your normal niche. About 1.5 inches. I thought the 12-inch ones were too narrow. So just a little bit bigger, and it's way wider than it's 29 inches. That'll hold a lot of bars of soap and razors and shampoo, and yeah, I'm super happy with this. Very happy with it. It's dangerous to come off like you know what you're doing on YouTube, because then there's always somebody that knows it better. I'm going to tape and mud these seams. You do that to make your tile backer board as strong as possible. By taping and mudding, it kind of becomes all one solid substrate. You have to use special tape. They sell it at Home Depot. And then the only other thing I'll say that's important is when you're doing this is to always stagger your seams on your cement board. So you would never just put like a 4-foot piece up here and across to here, because then you'd have a corner here. Or you might have like, basically just, I don't have any so I can't show you. You don't want your seams to all come to the same spot. This is like a fiber reinforcing too. Yeah, stop talking, Lucas.
I wanna know your dark side. I wanna know your secrets. I wanna be your lifeline. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Tell me you're more than just a highlight. Pretty pictures on the outside. I hate to stare at you through these lights. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Click and scroll, I can't let you go.
I'm really happy. It's all done. Once it dries, I'll be able to go in with a light sandpaper block probably and just knock down all the rough edges. And if I see something that needs a little more, then I'll be able to put a little more. I really like the way this turned out. It looks awesome. Man, when this is tiled, I'll have like a shower. I'll have like a working shower. That is so exciting. Oh, that's really something. That's gonna do it for this week. As always, thanks for watching. Hello to all new subscribers. And if you're not subscribed and you've watched this whole video, you might as well just hit that button. And if you haven't yet, hit the thumbs up button too, because that really does help the channel out, and I appreciate all of those things. Comments, everything. Keep me motivated, everybody. Keep me honest. Tell me if I made a mistake. But keep me motivated. This is a daunting task, and I appreciate all of you, and you're all helping me through this. But that's it for now. We'll see you next week. Hopefully we get the tile going. Be exciting, huh? Earlier today, I did the chopping wood challenge, but it's for men's mental health awareness. Mallard 5 kind of put me up to it. CJ, thanks. It was a good challenge. Got 94 pieces, and I'm going to challenge Matt at Open Gate Farmstead.
Well, you're not even 2 minutes in, so you're doing a good
What?
job.
I didn't explain it very well, but this challenge is you see how many pieces of wood you can split in 10 minutes. Splitting wood is a lot like my golf swing. Create a lot of lag. As much lag as possible, and then it snaps, you know?
You're wasting time.
Yeah.
No, it's a tough one. Don't even mess with it.
8, 7,
Put that in half.
6,
Come on, you can get 2 more pieces.
5, 4, 3,
It's in there like Excalibur.
1.
Hey, there it is. We're gonna count it up.
58, 59, 60, 83, 93, and
94.